Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G45 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to, let me go back, here we have to scroll down to find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it's 41 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So in order to check some further details, simply tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. If you will have more records, then you can simply tap on the specific day and it will show you the information. And under it we've got the list of apps which we've been using with the specific time we've spent on them. We can of course tap on the specific app and again we will be transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Here being on the specific app or in this list, we can set the app limits. So for example, let's pretend that I'm using the camera for too long during a day. So all we have to do is to tap on this hourglass icon and now we can set the app limit. So if I will set it, for example, for 1 hour and 30 minutes, it means that I will be able to use this app for 1 hour and 30 minutes during a day. So after midnight, the app limit will reset, and again I will be able to use it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. If we will set it, for example, for 0 hours and 0 minutes, let me tap on OK, it means that the camera will be blocked. Let me show it to you. As you can see, this icon is grayed out, and after tapping on it I will have this information that the app is paused and that the time ran out and it will start again tomorrow. Obviously we know that it will not start because we've got it set on 0 minutes and 0 hours. Obviously by entering the settings we can change the app timer, but still it is the information that hello, we shouldn't really use that. Alright, so here we've got the app limits. Moreover, here in those ways to disconnect, we've got also the focus mode. And after tapping on it, you can select distracting apps, so those from which you're receiving most notifications. So let me pretend it's Chrome and camera. Then we can tap on set a schedule. We can set a specific days and specific start and end time. Let me just leave it like that, or maybe mark all of the days and then tap on set. And after that, your device will basically hide the notifications in the specific schedule, thanks to which you will be able to focus on different actions, like for example working, studying, or I don't know, spending time with your family or whatever you would like to do during those hours. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.